A Green Kid's Guide to Watering Plants. Vocabulary. 1. Different. Meaning, not the same as something else. Sentence, apples and oranges are different fruits. 2. Between. Meaning, in the middle of two things. Sentence, the ball is between the shoes. 3. Arrange. Meaning, to put things in a certain order. Sentence, I arrange my books by color on the shelf. 4. Certain. Meaning, sure or positive about something. Sentence, I am certain that today is Friday. 5. Moist. Meaning, slightly wet or damp. Sentence, the soil is moist after the rain. 6. Soggy. Meaning, very wet and soft. Sentence, my socks are soggy after stepping in a puddle. 7. Place. Meaning, a spot or area where something is. Sentence, my house is a safe place for me. 8. Behavior. Meaning, the way someone or something acts. Sentence, good behavior is important in class. 9. Design. Meaning, a plan or drawing that shows how something will look. Sentence, I made a design for my art project. 10. Evidence. Meaning, proof that shows something is true. Sentence, footprints are evidence that someone walked here. 11. Identify. Meaning, to recognize or name something. Sentence, I can identify the bird by its colors. 12. Similar. Meaning, almost the same as something else. Sentence, the twins look very similar.